So we've got one more with the chain rule. This one is actually the t that's substituted into the e function, that's substituted into the cosine, that's substituted into the sine, that's substituted into the squared. So we'll have to use the chain rule, let's see, for that inner function. So there's once, twice, 3 times. And then the outermost function is the square. So another way to write this is that it's all being squared. Next would be the sine function. Then inside of that is the cosine function, and inside of that is the e to the t function. So we take the derivative of the outermost function first of all. So it's going to be 2 times all of that stuff, sine of cosine of e to the t. Check my parentheses one more. And then subtract 1 from the exponent, so now it's just a 1. And then the next innermost function is the sine function, so take the derivative of sine, and that's cosine. And then whatever's inside of the sine function, it stays the same. So cosine of e to the t. So now we're done with the square, we're done with the sine, we're now to the cosine function. So then for the cosine function, take the derivative. Derivative of cosine is negative sine, and then it stays e to the t. And then finally we're to that innermost function, take the derivative of e to the t, and that is e to the t. And technically, if you wanted to go one step further, you could say take the derivative of t with respect to t is going to be a 1, so multiply by a 1. And then it can't really be simplified, so that's it.